Hello, I am Flash Isaac, and you are welcome to the Flashlearners series, where we solve past and likely questions for your examination. And at the end of this series, your life will never remain the same because I shall be releasing a whole lot of episodes. In this series, I will be making use of the Flashlearners application. Simply visit Google Play Store or flashlearners.com to install the app. Are you watching on YouTube? I've shared the link to both the mobile and desktop app below. Download and let us begin. When the moon comes in between the sun and the earth, it results in eclipse of the sun. When the moon comes in between the earth and the sun, it will result in eclipse of the sun. An organic acid found in milk is dash. In milk, you have acid. That acid is referred to as lactic acid. In man, urine is passed out of the body through a tube called bladder. That is where urine is passed out in man. The following are effects of heat on substances except dash. When some things are heated, they change color. When you expose some things to the atmosphere, the color will change. In fact, most things, even your rubber, plastic, even this, even closed board, heat can change the color of substances. When heat is applied to a body, it can change the shape. Yes. In fact, when you cook certain things, the color will change. Even maize, food, color changes. Heat can change the shape of something. If you apply heat to this thing, it can melt, that change shape. Or when you heat a plastic, you notice that this will pop inside. That is heating. Heating can expand substances. Yes. Heating can lead to formation of new substances. That's what we refer to as chemical change. When you heat a paper or there's fire on a paper, it burns. That paper changes to something else. This chemical change. Option E says decrease in temperature. No. When you apply heat to something, heat will lead to increase in temperature. So heat increases temperature rather than decreasing temperature. So therefore, option E is not an effect of heat. The force that acts on the body falling from height is gravity. So long there is height, there is gravity. Because gravity is a force that pulls all objects down. Remember, anything that goes up will certainly come down. So that force pulling all objects down is referred to as the force of gravity. And talking about energy, there's energy called kinetic energy and there's energy called potential energy. When you are moving, a body in motion, we have kinetic energy. A body at rest, we have or a body in a particular height, we have potential energy. So, as a definition, kinetic energy is the energy a body possesses due to motion. Potential energy is the energy a body possesses due to position. Kinetic energy is half mv squared. Potential energy is mgh. So that is kinetic and potential energy. Now, ringworm is a skin disease caused by fungi. Ringworm is caused by fungi. Yam and rice are examples of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are starchy food. You know, we have different classes of food. Carbohydrates, they provide you with energy. Protein for bodybuilding, repair of worn-out tissues. Vitamins to provide important nutrients and minerals as well. Then fats and oil. When you continue to eat yam and rice, you are filling your body with carbohydrates or with starch. That is the function. The blood vessels that carry blood from other parts of the body to the heart are referred to as veins. In the circulatory system, there are systems in your body that pump blood to the heart or from the heart to the heart. In this case, they're asking us, those vessels that carry blood from the heart, let's say this is the heart. So from the heart, blood vessels to the heart, blood vessels. Now, the ones that carry blood from other parts of the body, this is the body. So from the heart to the body, from the body to the heart. The ones that carry blood from other parts of the body to the heart are referred to as veins. Veins. Now, the ones that carry oxygen-rich blood from the heart to other parts of the body are referred to as arteries. So veins from other parts of the body to the heart to the body is referred to as arteries. As you can see, so veins is correct in this case, and if we are moving from the heart, it would have been arteries. This next question says, which of the following is not a permanent change? Permanent change is also referred to as chemical change. These are changes in which new substances are formed. New substances are formed. Burning of paper, does it lead to the formation of new substance? Yes, which means it is a permanent change. Changing of flowers to fruits, is it a permanent change? Yes. Why? You cannot reverse it. You cannot change fruits back to flower. You cannot change flowers back to fruits. Therefore, it is permanent. Hatching of eggs to chick, is it a permanent change? Yes, in the sense that you cannot change chick back to egg. You can't reverse it. Option D, melting of candle, is it a permanent change? No. After a candle melt, it will still solidify. It will still turn to candle. It will melt, it gets thicker. Melt in the body, get thicker. So at the end, you see that you still have candle particle. It's still very thick. So it is a physical change or temporary change, not permanent. Rusting of needle is permanent because when a needle rusts, you can't change it back to that new needle it was. So therefore, all of them are permanent changes except melting of candle wax. And wind vane is used to measure wind direction. That is it. Welcome back and thank you for watching this episode on the series. Feel free to check out the other episodes. Subscribe so you don't miss out any video, and feel free to tell your friends about this. Thank you.